friends, my name is Devam. Today I made a Lego line follow robot with ball hitter in Robofun Lab, Ahmedabad. The kit I have used is Lego MIndstorm's EV3. The components I have used are one EV3 brick, two color sensors, one medium motor, two large motors and many other more non-electronic components. Let me tell you how it works. I programmed this robot in such a way that it will follow the black line with the help of the downside color sensor, and the other color sensor will detect the balls, and if it detects the red color it will hit on left side, and if it detects blue color it will hit on right side. Let me show you a demo. Ready? Thank you.